Where are we now with MOG Coin? Wow, MOG Coin made this huge move to the upside, and now price is retesting structure, which is awesome. Look at this vector candle here. This signifies the market makers on board trying to reverse the trend, and now we are testing structure. We break structure, and we are testing structure on the daily time frame. I want to see price hold this zone, during this downtrend. It might happen, like, let's say, this weekend we might see price do something like this, come a little bit downward, move sideways. Then the next target is gonna be around this zone that I mark here. Price have already shown us where price wanna go. Now it's left for us to decide whether we want to take advantage of this movement to the upside or not. I always want to see my target, where I should expect price to go. It's simple. I bring in my flip tool from the top to the bottom, and I look for these key areas here: the 0.382 zone, the zero point 0.5 zones, 0.618 zones, which is the golden pocket. So looking at this current price action, I think we can see price go right up to this zone, and I'm going to share with you guys exactly which day I think. Let me not say exactly as if that's setting, but I'm speculating that this could happen from Sunday right up to Thursday next week. We are gonna see good week for crypto next week. Let's just see how many percent is gonna be if say price actually make its way to that area there. Let's see, we can make right up to 240, yeah, 250% if price gets there. And if price get back to this local high here, that's going to be around 47%. So where we are right now, you can either make 47% or you make 250% if price goes to that area. The question you should be asking yourself right now is it possible for MOG Coin to actually make this move to the upside? Okay, now for me to answer your question, I have to take you first to this. Let's go to check on MOG Coin, the rank in the crypto space quickly. Let's see MOG Coin. The rank is 193 as of the time I'm doing this video. This is awesome. Look at the volume, 11.53 million. Look at the exchanges that this bad boy is listed. Not much, just some few centralized exchanges. So if we see places like Binance, list MOG Coin, is gonna be really amazing for this coin. MOG Coin is ranked 193 in the crypto space. This should mean something to you, okay? If it doesn't mean something to you, then maybe you have a problem or you don't understand how crypto operates in general. The coins that are among the top 100 and top 500 coins always get exposure when new investors or old investors want to start buying crypto again. And Coinbase is one of the biggest exchanges in the world. Coin is one of the biggest meme coin on the Base network. So most of Coinbase users are going to be buying Coin. That's why I think Coin has a space. Now let's go to the top meme coins, so we can see where Coin is at this point in time, looking at the rank of the top meme coins out there in the space. So looking at this, just scroll down to this level here. It's around 180 something. Let's see. More coin, yeah, you see 192 in the space, and you can see the other coins. We have Peanuts, Act. You also have Wood, Snake. Guys, if you look at the top 300 coins in the space, they have value. Be it meme coins, be it whatever you want to call it, any coin that is still sitting at the top 300 coins is valuable. Trust me. If you're gonna see the crypto market pump, these coins are gonna pump alongside the crypto market. And this brings me now to why I think more coin can actually give us that gains that I have been talking about. Like, if say you look at the current price action, can more coin print that gains for us? Of course, more coin can print that gains for us. I just want to bring you guys a chart here so we analyze this properly. Now, this is the volume profile. I've brought in the volume profile so we can see where we are right now on the daily time frame with more coin. It's important we see this key level here for more coin. You can see price is already above the POC based on the volume profile strategy. And if price is above the POC, what price usually does is price attack the value area high. So price have left the value area low, which is here. Price is going now straight to the value area high, which is here. The POC is here. You can see that's why we see price rejecting this level to the downside, and we saw this huge spike to the upside, and price is retracing this area here. You can see we have more volume. Yeah, if price lose this area, we can go and create more lows. Yeah, I think we don't want to see price do that. So this should be the next zone that we expect some sort of rejection. That's why you see price wasn't able to go and break above. So if price break above this zone here, the next key area is here. After here, then up here where we have our profit. So we have some little bit of traffic around these areas for more coin before we get to our target. And usually when we see the alpha trend print a buy signal, then we want to look at the previous sell signal, and the sell signal is here. So usually I just want to allow price to run towards that area there, but most of the times price doesn't always make its way there. That's why you see me focusing on this zone here, which is the golden pocket. Okay, I want to bring in one last indicator here. I mentioned this in my live stream yesterday. Let me take off the volume profile here. Let me bring in this liquidity stuff. So we see where we are right now and when we might expect price to pump. I mentioned in my video that we're gonna experience this dip, and from this dip, this is just mainly retracement, and after that we're gonna consolidate sideways. But on Sunday, or from Sunday 30th of March, we are going to start seeing parabolic move for more coin. More coin is going to attack this zone, then we see it go right up. I don't know whether it's going to go straight to this zone that I mark here, but what I do know is from Sunday, that's Sunday next week, like this coming Sunday, we are going to start seeing parabolic move for more coin. This is not only about more coin, it's also about what Bitcoin and USDT dominance is showing us. And based on what I'm looking at with Bitcoin, I can say to you guys that similar stuff is happening here with Bitcoin. You can see we should expect price to drop a little bit. Then from Sunday, we're gonna see Bitcoin start moving to the upside. So this movement with Bitcoin, I think, is normal after this huge trend, this huge upward trend. Price have to come back, retest a little bit structure around 83 or 84 $1,000, or even go right down to $82,000. From there, maybe we can see a huge spike. Price goes straight away to around $95,000 for Bitcoin. And if that is the case for Bitcoin, then more coin is gonna also do well and hit the target we just talk about in this video. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If the content was helpful to you, subscribe, share with someone else out there. If say you haven't yet joined my free Telegram community, the links are found below this video. Come and join us. Let's build the community together. And if say you are someone who want to get buy and sell signals, you want to know what I'm buying when I'm buying it, feel free to join my free Telegram community. So take advantage of this. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.